So, you need 1 cup of warm milk. Yan. I-warm up lang natin siya sa microwave kasi yung milk na ginamit ko is fresh milk, straight from the fridge. So, microwave natin for, I would say, like 30 seconds. Then, you add 2 teaspoons of yeast. Make sure that your milk is warm lang kasi pag sobrang init, mamamatay yung yeast, and pag malamig naman, matutulog yung yeast, hindi siya mag-activate. Okay, and then tip guys is add a pinch of sugar para mas madali mag-activate yung yeast. And then haluin lang natin siya. So, set it aside. Hayaan nyo lang muna siya for 10 minutes. Let it rise. 3 cups of pure plain flour or all-purpose flour. And next is 1/4 cup of white sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, and then haluin nyo lang all the dry ingredients. And then kailangan natin lagyan ng melted butter. So ang gagawin ko is i-warm ko lang to sa microwave. So mga 1/4, siguro mga ganyan nakadami yon. Okay, so pag nag-activate na yung yeast nyo, ganyan yung magiging itsura niya. Yan yung sinasabi ko na para magbabubble siya or aalsa siya. So, okay na yan. Now, let's add yung yeast, yung egg. Just mix it all together. Yan. Hanggang maging ganyan siya. Okay, tapos kukuberan lang natin yun ng cling wrap and wait for at least an hour. So, after 1.5 hour, magiging ganito na yung itsura niya. Double na yung size niya. And, i-press nyo lang siya para matatanggal yung air or yung gas na tinatawag nila. Kunin nyo na yung dough nyo. Tapos, lay it flat. Stretch nyo siya. Make sure na even yung pagkaka-stretch nyo. So, kukuberin lang ulit natin yan ng cling wrap. Tapos, leave it for 1 hour and 30 minutes para umalsa. Yes, so ayan, once na umalsa na ang inyong pandesal, ready to cook na siya sa oven. Nalagay na natin siya dito. Let's go. So, this is 150 Celsius and cook it or bake it for, I would say, 20 minutes and then oven off, leave it for another 10 minutes.